Which of the following dates was Hiroshima Day observed? Option A 14th April, option B 23rd May, option C 6th August, and option D 12th March. Your time starts now. Answer is 6th August. Which country in the world is called the land of thousand lakes? Option A India, option B Greenland, option C Finland, and option D Norway. Your time starts now. Answer is Finland. Which of the following mountains are the oldest mountains in the world? Option A the Himalayas, option B Aravallis, option C Mount Everest, and option D Mount Kanchenjunga. Your time starts now. Answer is Aravallis. Which of the following planet have no natural satellite? Option A Jupiter, option B Venus, option C Saturn, and option D Uranus. Your time starts now. Answer is Venus. In which decade was Alice in Wonderland released? Option A 1970s, option B 1950s, option C 1960s, and option D 1980s. Your time starts now. Answer is 1950s. Pinocchio was released in which decade? Option A 1950s, option B 1970s, option C 1960s, and option D 1940s. Your time starts now. Answer is 1940s. My Own Home is a song from which Disney film? Option A Cinderella, option B The Jungle Book, option C Beauty and the Beast, and option D The Lion King. Your time starts now. Answer is The Jungle Book. In which country Chichen Itza located? Option A Egypt, option B Mexico, option C Australia, and option D Saudi Arabia. Your time starts now. Answer is Mexico. In which country Petra is located? Option A Algeria, option B Saudi Arabia, option C Jordan, and option D Kuwait. Your time starts now. Answer is Jordan. The seven wonders of the modern world come from which century? Option A 17th century, option B 18th century, option C 19th century, and option D 20th century. Your time starts now. Answer is 20th century.